Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a head gasket. First, ensure your workspace is safe and gather all necessary tools like a torque wrench and gasket scraper. Begin by disconnecting the battery and draining both the engine oil and coolant. Next, carefully remove any components that block access to the cylinder head, such as the air intake and various hoses. Safety is paramount, so wear appropriate protective gear throughout the process. Now, let's move on to disassembling the engine. Begin by carefully detaching the intake and exhaust manifolds from the cylinder head. Next, you will need to remove the timing chain or belt system, paying close attention to timing marks. Finally, systematically unbolt the cylinder head in the specified pattern and carefully lift it off the engine block, exposing the old head gasket. With the old gasket removed, it's crucial to meticulously clean all mating surfaces on both the engine block and cylinder head. Ensure they are free of any debris or old gasket material. Carefully place the new head gasket onto the engine block, ensuring correct orientation. Then, gently lower the cylinder head back into position and tighten the head bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque in the correct sequence. For the final steps, begin by reinstalling all the engine components you removed earlier, including the timing system, manifolds, and accessories. Once everything is back in place, refill the engine with fresh oil and coolant, making sure to properly bleed any air from the cooling system. Finally, start the engine and carefully inspect for any leaks or unusual noises, ensuring a successful repair.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.